which means to give up a throne voluntarily, means सिंहासन त्याग. Then autobiography means Atmakatha, life story of a man written by himself. Then aggressor, that is Akramankarta, the person who attack first. Amateur, that is Shokyana, one who pursues some art or sport as a hobby. Arbitrator means मध्यस्थ, one appointed by two parties to settle disputes between them. एक ऐसा इंसान जो दो पार्टीज के द्वारा क्या किया जाता है, अपॉइंट किया जाता है उनके बीच में जो क्वेरल है उसको फिनिश करने के लिए. नाउ एडोलसेंस मीन्स किशोरावस्था, दैट इज द स्टेज बिटवीन बॉयहुड एंड यूथ. बिब्लियोफाइल मतलब पुस्तक प्रेमी, अ ग्रेट लवर ऑफ बुक्स. बॉटनी वनस्पति विज्ञान, द साइंस ऑफ प्लांट लाइफ. बाइलिंगुअल दुभाषिया, people who speak two language. Then catalog सूची पत्र, a list of books. Century, that is the celebration of 100th year or we can say शताब्दी. Colleague, जो सहकारी या सहयोगी, a co-worker or fellow worker in the same institution. Then contemporaries, that is समकालीन, person living in the same age. Credulous, that is आसु विश्वासी, a person who really believe in whatever told to him. ऐसा इंसान जिसको कुछ भी बोल दे तो वो विश्वास कर लेता है easily. Careless, a man devoid of kind feeling or sympathy. Then cosmopolitan, a man who is international in outlook. Then celibacy, that is brahmacharya, that is to abstain from sex. Deteriorate मतलब बदतर होना, to go from bad to worse. Democracy प्रजातंत्र, government of a people, from a people and by the people. Monarchy government by one या राजतंत्र. Drawn means बराबर या a game or battle in which neither party wins. Then egotist, that is अहंवादी या अहंकारी, a person who always think of himself. Epidemic महामारी, a disease mainly contagious which spread over huge area. ऐसा महारोग जो एक बड़े क्षेत्र में एक साथ फैल जाए. एक्सटेम्पोर, तत्कालीन, तत्काल भावित या तत्काल भाषित, a speech made without previous preparation. Etiquette शिष्टाचार, that is established manner or rules of conduct. Epicure, that is a person fond of refined enjoyment. Exonerate, to free a person of all blames in a case. Then we have eradicate, मतलब to root out an evil or a bad practice. Then fastidious, दुराध्य, a person difficult to please. Fatalist, भाग्यवादी, a person who believes that all the events are predetermined or subject to fate, मतलब जो भाग्य को सब कुछ मानता है. Honorary, a post which doesn't carry any salary, ऐसा काम जिसे बिना कोई वेतन लिए किया जाए. Illegal, अवैध, means जो कानून के विरुद्ध हो या that which is against law. Then illiterate, निरक्षर, a person who can't read or write, ऐसा व्यक्ति जो पढ़ भी ना सके और लिख भी ना सके. Then we have hostility, state of antagonism या शत्रुता, दुश्मनी की दशा. Incorrigible, that which is past correction. Irritable, a man who really irritated. Irrelevant, not to the point. Invisible, जो कि हम देख नहीं सकते, that can't be seen. Inaudible, जो कि सुना नहीं जा सकता. Incredible, that which can't be believed, ऐसी चीज़ें जिन पे हम विश्वास नहीं कर सकते easily. इरेडिएबल जो कि रीड नहीं किया जा सकता, इनप्रैक्टिकेबल विच कांट बी प्रैक्टिस्ड जिसको हम प्रैक्टिस कर नहीं सकते ऐसी चीज़, इनविंसिबल दैट विच कांट बी कॉन्कर्ड, indispensable that which can't be ignored, inevitable that which can't be avoided जिसको हम इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते, irrevocable that which can't be changed ऐसी चीज़ें जिसको हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल डेथ इज सर्टेन and it can't be changed for anyone. Illicit, a trade which is prohibited by law. Insoluble, a problem which ऐसी प्रॉब्लम जिसको हम सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते. Inflammable, liable to catch fire, ऐसी चीज़ें जो easily catch कर ले फायर को. Infanticide, murderer of infants और killing of infants, मतलब जो छोटे बच्चों को मार दे, infanticide हो गया. Then we have matricide, a murderer of one's own mother, खुद की मदर की जो हत्या कर दे उसे matricide बोलेंगे. अपने पिता की हत्या कर दे खुद ही उसे बोलेंगे patricide. Kidnap, to carry a person forcibly. Medieval, belonging to the middle age. Matin, a china show which is held in the afternoon. Notorious, a man with evil reputation, ऐसा इंसान जिसकी reputation गलत हो. Manuscript, handwritten pages of a literary book. Namesake, person जिनके नाम सेम हो. Novice, one who is new to some trade or profession, नया इंसान. Omnipotent, one who is all powerful. Omnipresent, one who is present everywhere. Optimist, one who look at the bright side of a thing, जो हमेशा होप रखता हो ऐसा इंसान. Now panacea, a remedy for all disease. Polyandry, practice of having one husband at a time. Polygamy, practice of having more than one wife at a time. Postmortem, medical examination होता है बॉडी का, that is after death. Pessimist, one who looks at the dark side of everything. Postscript, anything written in the letter after it has been signed. Veteran, a person possessing long experience of military service or any occupation. Zoology, that is the science dealing with the life of animals. Thank you and keep learning with me. Share, like and subscribe my channel.